In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a decentralized domain to your MetaMask wallet step by step. Hi, I'm Olga from the eDNS. If you're struggling with how to view the eDNS decentralized domain on your MetaMask wallet, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do. Let's get started. If you added a MetaMask as your wallet on the eDNS platform, then this video is for you. If you used another wallet, then please check other videos we have. The first step is to log into your OpenSea account and find your domain. The owner of the NFT will be displayed as you. Then we click on the details and we'll be able to view the contract address and token ID. Click on either one and the new browser will open up. We will need this information later on. Now we need to add Polygon network to the MetaMask wallet. Since eDNS runs on the Polygon blockchain and MetaMask usually has Ethereum network by default. Here's how to do it. First, let's open the app on the phone, then go to the browser and look for the chain list. Now we need to search for Polygon and add it to MetaMask. Then click Approve and switch network. Now we can go back to the wallet and see we are on Polygon network right now. And we are ready to import our NFT. We simply click Import NFTs and you will see this form. To get the address and ID, we need to go back to the page we opened on OpenSea and copy and paste it. Then click Import, and here we have it. NFT is visible on your wallet. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can add eDNS domain to your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have eDNS decentralized domain, then please go to edns.domains and purchase your domain now. Thanks for watching.